can't believe I just did that. Safety glasses. But I also hate it. Sure, so obsessed with this. Necessaire is my favorite. Hi, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey. If you're new here, please don't mind how I'm looking. I look psycho right now, but I want to hop into this video, get ready, and talk to you guys because it's gonna be a big day. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. Let's get into it. So I just curled my hair, put my hair up in like a bun to let it set before I brush it out. I needed a headband to get it out of my face so I can do my makeup. I'm going to get ready. Then I'm going to spend the whole day doing clear out number 1. I say number 1 because there's gonna have to be a number 2, maybe even a number 3 before we move, but it was too early to like go through my stuff because we're moving in July. But you know what, we're struggling so much right now. Until we move, we're gonna be kind of here, there, everywhere. So why not just kind of get rid of some stuff now? Let me get ready. I'm going to start by putting on this Flesh primer. Flesh is such a nice brand, so natural, so like skin orientated. I'm gonna take my ring off. This is just like a glowy little primer. And I'm gonna put it on mostly the outsides of my face where I like to glow. And then I'm going to use Professional on my T-zone. Why was that so hard for me to remember? This just like blurs any single pore that you have. I look quite pale, but which just makes me feel blah. You know, I feel so healthy and nice when I have a little bit of color, but I'm trying to take a second away from fake tan because I'm not going anywhere. Like, I just need to relax a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put the Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer, First Aid Beauty, one of my faves, all over. This has SPF 30 and just like a little bit of color just to kind of even out my skin tone. I literally have 2 foundations and I honestly just need to get rid of them. I don't like wearing foundation and I'm pretty sure they're like not even my color, maybe even expired. Oh, hold on, I need to get a mirror. Here we go. It's just giving me a little life, a little color. Whoa. Did you see that? It just shot out of my hand. I made myself an acai bowl this morning. Delish. I need some new concealer. I ran out of my like favorite, but I have this e.l.f. one right now. I'm just trying to use it up. I like it because it's nice and light in color. It's not like a light concealer honestly at all. Okay, I'm just gonna use this again. Honestly, the laziness is so real. I'm gonna use this Benetint cheek thing. You gotta work quick though, this stuff stains. Oh no, where's my brush? Let's use this quick because otherwise it will stain in the little lines and it's like, looks crazy. That was dramatic. Honestly, blush is the most important part of my makeup for me. Just is. All right, let's do a little powder. I'm just gonna use this Fit Me Maybelline powder. Honestly, I'm just gonna use this little thing. I'm feeling quite lazy with this, honestly, which isn't a good start because today is not the day to be lazy. You can't be lazy when you're going through all your stuff and trying to like home edit your life. I want to do something a little different with my eyes. What does this purple look like? Oh, she's dark. No. Mistake, mistake, mistake. All right, let's try. All right, we need to blend, we need to blend, we need to blend. That hit too hard, that hit too good. I look psycho. If you're just staying at home, that's the time to experiment with your makeup. All right, I just did a lighter color base and the kind of taupey purple. Eyeshadow always looks better after you put your mascara on, okay? Give it a chance. Eyebrows, always literally this is all rubbed off because I use it so often. Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and I just push them up. That's it. Curl my lashes. Oh, I just ripped all my fucking eyelashes out. Do you see that? I'm gonna cry. Okay, wow. I actually can't believe I just did that. I just ripped all my eyelashes out. Look at the difference. Are you fucking kidding me? That hurt. Today is taking a turn. I've never done that before. Do they grow back? I have like one eyelash in the middle. Look at it. Who knew they just rip out so easy? Okay. The show must go on. There's like 3 lashes. What the hell? Alright, tragedy. A tragedy. Alright, we're gonna move on, we're gonna move on, we're gonna move on. We gotta let it go. They'll grow back. A little bit of hula bronzer. I can't even talk. I'm gonna use this Kevin Kwan blush. My eyeball hurts, my eyeball hurts, my eyeball hurts. And I'm gonna use this Lancome highlighter just with my finger because I need to move on. Alright, lips. I'm using the Simple Micellar Water on a cotton pad to just like clean. Like, I don't even put foundation on, but you can just see how much goes on your lips. I'm gonna use NYX Retractable Lip Liner in number 1 Nude. I always smudge it in with my fingers. And then, what's this? Walk of Shame. That's dark. I do have some shame right now though. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Diamonds. Shall we try this? I think it's like shiny. Oh wow. Oh my god, it's like glitter. I'm gonna need a gloss or something to hide this. Okay. NYX Butter Gloss. Today is not my day, guys. Step away from the makeup. Stop looking at my face. I think I did a pretty good job of hiding it, but as you can see, I have about 1 eyelash in the middle. So let me clean this up and then we'll move on. Makeup is done. As tragic as it is, I think I covered it well. Also, this robe is from Kate Spade. I think it's so sweet. Nice and satin and breezy, which is helpful when you're sweating because you just ripped out all your eyelashes. I think I'm gonna leave my hair like this for a little bit longer before I brush it all out, but I am going to start the cleaning process. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this. Well, we're definitely not bringing this with us, so everything in here will actually have to find another place, so we should probably try to get rid of a good amount of it. Anyway, I have 1 bag for trash, another bag for donate, sell, relocate, but we're gonna try not to relocate. So this is what it's looking like. I literally just cleaned these out. Like, I do this every freaking month, but I just always end up with trash. Like, let's just, and then these are all Brooks's toys, so these will find another home, but this is all just like literal, just like, this is the crap drawer. Also pulled out this candle, which I like the idea of, but it smells like crap. Like, we hate the smell of it, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Honestly, I'm very particular with candles. Same with this one. I just don't like them. They're gone. Out of my life. Alright, Dan wants to put the TV on, so I'm just going to do a little like laps. Freaking eyeball hurts. At least my makeup looks good. A lot of hand sanitizer. Safety glasses. Oh, my mom got me for the plane. A little mirror. Trash. A CVS receipt. For Campbell's tomato soup puzzle. My old AirPods. Now, I took out all that and I'm going to do this. So behind this mirror, I've been storing a bunch of crap, honestly. We don't need it. It's like Christmas stuff, yoga stuff. It's just a nightmare. So I'm gonna get rid of it. And then we're gonna do this closet. Oh, look at all that. Okay, the closet in the living room was giving me, it was way too overwhelming. I need to do that. I don't know, I need to do something else. So I have come into the bedroom now and I'm trying my best with the bedroom. I definitely know there's things to get rid of, but like, this is so hard. But I need to be ruthless. I need to be hard with myself. Look at all this. What the heck? Okay, number one, I have been toying with this because I love it. It's adorable. It's so cute. But I also hate it. It's non-practical. Now I have my other one. Oh, but every time I look in it, it's like, but it's cute. Why am I the way that I am? Like now I have Christmas stuff here. Side note, guys, I just opened up a fresh Necessaire, the body serum. I'm obsessed. Especially, I was in the sun, my knees got a little sunburnt and they're feeling extra dry lately, and this is the only thing that makes them feel moisturized. So, obsessed with this. Necessaire is my favorite body care brand ever. They take so much of my money, it's honestly so sad. Necessaire, please, please. I love your stuff. Send me something. Did a Spindrift break. Again, my favorite drinks ever, Spindrift. 10 out of 10. Now back to work. Hello guys. It has been a while. It's been a busy day. I still haven't brushed out my curls. I think I'm gonna leave them and then brush them out tomorrow because I'm not going anywhere today and I don't mind how they look. It's been a busy day. I ended up cleaning the entire apartment and all the floors, and I still have to go through my closet. I still have to go through the kitchen and the bathroom. I'm here in the apartment alone again. I ordered the same thing that I did the last time I was here alone. I think it's, oh, my dog was humping the, oh, and he's doing it again. Are you kidding me? I ordered and pizza, truffle garlic pizza. It's like the perfect personal pie. It's like really thin and light and nice, but tastes like truffle, which I love and Dan doesn't really like. So whenever I'm eating dinner alone, I like to order something like that, like a truffle pasta, a truffle pizza. Right now I'm watching The Nanny, waiting for my dinner and relaxing. I wanted to update you guys because I hadn't shown everything. Oh, I'm sorry if you can hear my air conditioning. It's so loud and annoying. My eye doesn't hurt anymore, but I will be having to wear probably eyeliner and mascara for the next foreseeable future, and I'm upset because I have a wedding soon and I have no eyelashes. Well, anyway, I am gonna wait till I get my food. I'm starving and I'll update you later. Yes, it's here. I'm starving. Ah, amazing. Look at that. Delish.